Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Behind me is a 1969 Rotisserie Restored 396 Chevelle, and this baby's got aluminum Corvette heads on it. Look at this beautiful car, man. Absolutely gorgeous. The yellow is popping out here in the sun. That black stripe is looking sweet. You can see that the chrome on the front bumper looks like it's brand new. The grille does look original and it is in very nice shape, looking sweet. You can see even the emblem on the hood looking good. And look at those body lines. Man, it looks sweet. Everything about this car is absolutely amazing. 1969 big block car, 4-speed car. Now it's got the SS396 wheels on it with those wide oval Firestones. You can see that the door gap here and everything's lining up nice there. All the stainless here looks like it's brand new. The window rubbers also look like they were replaced. Door handle looks brand new. And then that door panel, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. She is a beauty. And you can see the door jamb up here looking sweet. Look how nice and clean all that is. It's got a stock appearing steering wheel in it. It's got that 4-speed shifter in the center console, the bucket seats, the vinyl on the seats is looking good. The back seat looks good. I see seat belts in the front. I see seat belts in the rear. Package tray looks good. Headliner looks nice and tight. All the trim there is looking good. The dash itself's in beautiful shape. That dash pad looks good. The lenses on the gauges look great. Just everything about this car looks brand new. I mean, you can tell it's a fresh restoration and they did a beautiful job on it. You see the paint work too, straight as an arrow. You can see reflections in that yellow paint, just looking absolutely gorgeous. Now you always want to look at these bezels around the taillights on these cars. These look great. That chrome on the back bumper looks like it's new, and right there's where it's at, SS396 right there. I'm going to pop open the trunk here. You also need to look in the trunk of every car that you're buying. Look at that trunk floor. Look how nice and clean that is. Always pull up the mat, look underneath the mat. Now we've got the spare tire in here. That's also a Firestone tire. I see the jack down there also. I see new rubber around the opening of the trunk, and the gutter system here is all painted nice. Bottom side of the deck lid's painted nice. You can see they took the time to remove the latch before they painted it. And even the clip there for the keyhole. You can see also the latch down here has been removed before. I mean, those details are what make a car. Now, as you look down the side on the passenger side, straight as can be, looking beautiful. I mean, I can't wait to get out and drive this. I actually haven't driven this car yet, and I'm going to drive it here in a minute. So guys, give Tom a call anytime at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about this car. All right, it's big block Chevelle time, baby. 1969. Listen to this, baby. You want to talk about cool? Of course, I'd put some louder mufflers on it, but everybody knows I like making a lot of noise. Sounds like it's got a stock exhaust system on it. It sounds sweet, guys. And it feels even better going around these curves. I mean, this thing is driving like we're back in 1969. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about this car and just how easy we can make it to park it in your driveway. If you want help with financing, we got several banks we work with on financing. Tom can hook you up with those guys. Or you can fill out an app right online at VanguardMotorsales.com. Tell you what, this is one beautiful car right here. You do not find them this nice. Tell you what, we look for them on a daily basis, and to find one this nice is a rare occasion. That Muncie transmission's feeling good. I'm shifting up, shifting down. You can see down here on the dash, looks like the speedo's working, the tack is working there. All the gauges looking good. Now this baby's radio delete. So if you want to add a radio, that's no problem. You can either do that at your house, or we might even be able to add one for you. Just talk to Tom and he can hook you up. Tell you what, the car sounds amazing. Nice and solid. The transmission feels good. Power steering. And she'll slide sideways a little bit too if you get into that accelerator. Tell you what, I'm having a blast driving this baby. Now we're gonna go back to the shop and we're gonna put this thing up in the air like we do every car at Vanguard. We are proud of the bottom sides of every one of our cars, and we're gonna show you. We're headed back to the shop right now. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. And right now is when we're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can see just how beautiful the bottom side is too. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and man, is she looking sweet under here. You can tell this baby's been on the rotisserie and off the frame because the bottom is painted yellow, the frame is painted black, we got brand new body bushings here, we got a brand new gas tank here, we got brand new exhaust. I mean, everything looking sweet. And look at the size of this sway bar. That is gigantic. I don't know if I've ever seen one that big. We got a 12-bolt rear end, 411 gears in there, and it is Posi. You can see they've got the aftermarket kit on here to move those upper control arms up a little bit. Looks like the springs have been powder coated. The shocks look like they're new. Drum brakes on the back, the drums look like they're new also. And the guys will still pull them all apart and make sure they're in good working order and that they're installed correctly. Looks like these mufflers may be stainless. This definitely looks like stainless to me. You can see that the brake line going front to back is new. You can see the parking brake cable's new. And look at the paint job on these floorboards, man, just absolutely gorgeous. Looks like the fuel line's brand new going front to back. Cross members all painted up nice. Looks like it's got a brand new speedo cable on it. Now this transmission is a 68 model, but it is not numbers matching. So it is the correct year, just not the original one for the car. It's got stock appearing clutch. All the brake lines up here are new. The bell housing also looks like it's stock appearing. We got a stock looking starter here. We got new bushings in the lower control arm. It looks like we got new ball joints here. Looks like the calipers have been rebuilt. The rotors look like they're new. The backing plates look like they're new. It's got a big ass sway bar up front also, and all the steering gear looks like it's been painted with that bare metal paint so it doesn't rust up. Core support's looking sweet. Front frame horns are nice and straight. The front bumper chrome is looking good. All the hardware looks like it's new. Up inside the wheel well, you can see that's all nice and clean. The wheel lip molding looks nice. Then we got stock appearing tires also. We've got these Super Sports. This is an F70 14. These are the Firestone Wide Ovals. I used to have one of these in the trunk of my Cougar back when I was a kid. As you can see, that yellow paint is just looking sweet. That pinch weld looks good. You always want to look at the pinch weld on a car where those two pieces of metal, the back side and the front side of the rocker, come together. I always run my hand on the back side, make sure that that piece of metal feels good. I also run my hand around the wheel lip opening here also. Just be careful of these screws. The other end of them screws as sharp as can be. Come out with a bloody hand. Out back here, we got the wide ovals again, same size tire. They're looking sweet. And look at those 396 wheels there. Those things are looking awesome. Let's get under the hood and look what's making the horsepower. All right, we're under the hood of this baby now, and this is a 1968 396. We can't tell whether it's numbers matching, but it's definitely date code correct. And look at those aluminum heads. You know what those are? Those are Corvette L88, L89 heads, man. It's got the Winters Aluminum Intake on it also, and those Corvette heads are also aluminum. We got what looks like a freshly rebuilt alternator with the big pulley on it. We got power steering on the car. We got power brakes. You can see all the braking system here. All of this looks brand new down in there. I see brand new bushings down here. I see brand new power steering lines down here. Everything's painted up nice, looking good. It looks like it's got a new fan clutch on it there. The front of the motor's nicely painted. All the bracketry's nicely painted. You can see it's got GM markings on the hoses. It's got the correct clamps just like it had back in a factory. It's got a stock appearing distributor back there on the back side. The firewall's all cleaned up, looking nice. The inner wheelhouses are all painted up nice. Now these are like a semi-gloss paint. Normally they'd be chassis black. The hood's got more of a chassis black paint on the bottom side. You can see that all the fiberglass is all painted up good. The hinges are all restored. Looks like they've painted the springs also. It's got a Delco top on the battery. I mean, everything about this car is looking sweet, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.